Hey guys, so this is the goddamn 13th time I had to goddamn make this video because it's so hard to rap the stuff. Ugh. And this is Stronger Than You Swap Fell, and you can only see the lyric. Yeah, sorry. So sorry. Yeah, let's just go into the game. I mean, I'm just gonna sing it and have sound like Swapfield sounds. So yeah, let's go. And by the way, this is karaoke. I'm only here for the music. And it's not a script and stuff. Okay, no.
A human? How great! I should do you one of my deadly puzzles. Human? How could you? Well then, let's fight. My brother did nothing but protect. But in the end you made him dust, so let's go. I won't use any mercy. And let me tell you something. I didn't even believe in you. But humans don't play by the rules. And monsters are not easy to play by you. So let's go, let the room get chiller. Let's go, dirty brother Tiller. Go ahead and try to hit message your rival. Cause now you won't show any mercy. I can tell you really hate me after all now, but I don't really care. I will not let you win, we're gonna stand here together. Fighting in the judgment hall forever, but I think you will come back after I killed you. But I always fight you no matter what. I think you're made. Oh 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 oh. Lo oh 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 lo oh 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 lo oh oh oh. I will not let you get past me, human, for what you have done for my brother. Brother Virus. This is where it stops. This is where it ends. If you think I'll spare you, well, you better think again. No matter how I fight you, you're still dodging my attack. Do you just like the feeling of everything crawling down your back? Go ahead, brother, hey, Mr. Durable. You should know by now the mercies of the game. You think that feeling will do any good? What you did is spare my brother, so get dunked on. You know you made all monsters disappear, but despite everything, this is for my brother. I am his my lord, I am his vengeance, I am determination. I think you're made of love, stronger than you, but I know I'm stronger than you, but I know I'm stronger than you. Sorry, Pirates, but I did my best, right? I'm sorry.
I'm so goddamn happy I'm done with this. Oh my god. Ugh. God. I thought my voice was gonna be cracked, no voice, and then there will be no video. Oh, I'm so... Well then, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna get some water to drink. Oh my god. Well then, bye!